So how to start social media marketing as a beginner step by step. Now, maybe you've heard about using social media to market your business or using social media to build your personal brand. Social media is really a great tool for marketing your business and your brand, especially in this day and age when we are all pretty much online every day for many hours a day. So in this episode, I'm going to keep things simple and narrow down social media marketing for you in just 3 simple steps. So stay tuned. Hello, this is Millie Leung from Shine to Impact TV. I share an awesome episode every single week to help you build a business and a life that you truly love. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell too. Okay, so this week we're going to talk about how to start social media marketing as a beginner step by step. As you know, the world that we live in today is very different from the world that we used to live in 20 years ago or maybe even 10 years ago. Remember the old days when we go home and we watch TV on the couch? These days, most people just tune into watching YouTube or TikTok anytime, anywhere. As a matter of fact, a lot of people don't even own a television set at home anymore. Personally, I don't have a TV set at home and I haven't watched TV for many years.
You don't watch TV?
Yeah, it's true. It's a little strange, but it's actually been the case for many years. And remember the old days that we listened to cassette tapes, a CD, and the radio. Yet most of these have been replaced by podcasts and YouTube as well. And remember the good old days when we bought and read newspaper, we actually hold the physical newspaper in our hands and we get our hands dirty with the black ink. Remember those days? Yep, I certainly remember. In fact, I remember at one point in my life when I was a teenager in Vancouver, Canada, I delivered newspaper door to door as a part-time job to earn some extra pocket money. And seriously, when I think about it now, it would be pretty tough to make a living selling or delivering newspaper door to door anymore. Because most people nowadays find out about the news on the feeds from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, blogs, and there's so many of chat rooms that we're in today, right? Now, starting social media marketing does not have to be complicated. In this episode, I will share with you 3 simple steps to get started step by step. So let's dive right in. Step number 1, find out where your ideal clients are hanging out. Yep, so if you want to use social media marketing to build your business, the very first step that you need to find out is where your ideal clients are hanging out online. The internet is like a vast ocean of information. So you want to know exactly where your ideal clients are hanging out so that you can show up to exactly where they are. For example, are they on Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, Twitter, or YouTube? Now, although there are more than 195 social media platforms online, these ones are some of the major ones. If your ideal client is a professional or if you're doing B2B business, then chances are that LinkedIn could be a great platform for you. If you're looking for the younger generation, then TikTok and Snapchat could be a great platform for you. If you're looking for a more mature audience or maybe you're doing B2C business, then Facebook could be the right platform for you. If your business or your brand is more visual driven, then consider Instagram or Pinterest. Now, one of the most common mistakes that I see beginners make is that they are trying to be on too many social media platforms when they're just starting out. You see, each social media platform has its own uniqueness. And if you want to do well on that social media platform, you need to understand how it works. So my advice is that if you're just starting out, start with just 1 or 2 social media platforms. Study them and then take actions. Maybe that's Facebook, maybe that's LinkedIn, or maybe that's TikTok or Instagram. You want to learn everything you can about that platform, buying courses and learning from someone who's successful on that platform and then start taking actions and start executing. Build your depth and your following on that social media platform first. As you build a following or as your business grows and expand your team, then you can expand to more social media platforms. The next social media platforms that you build will become easier because your supporters from the first platform may check you out on the next platform too. Now, to select which social media platform to start your marketing, the key thing is that you need to understand your ideal client. So make sure that you check out this previous episode where I walk you through the key components you need to understand about your ideal client. I'll put the link below this video too. Okay, now let's move on to step number 2. Step number 2, share something useful. That's right, you share something useful on your social media platform. That means whatever your niche is and whoever your ideal client is, you need to understand what kind of information they would find it helpful, and then you go ahead and share that information on your social media. Now, this is often called content marketing. As you share that information, you also attract your target audience to you. And as you have more and more content online, you can look at your data, which is often referred to as the analytics, and you know what content resonates with your audience more. For example, what posts are getting more likes, more comments, more share, and more reach, and what posts or videos you're getting new subscribers, etc. All of these are great feedback from your audience. As a business owner who wants to leverage on social media marketing, we need to look at our analytics, and then from there on, we can experiment, make changes, and continue to get to know what our audience wants from us even more. Okay, now on that note, let's get to step number 3. Step number 3, make an offer. Yep, if you're using social media marketing to build your business or to get clients, then step 3 is to make an offer. Yes, make an offer. Let your audience know how you can help them further. Remember, business exists to solve problems, and money is just a value exchange. So if you have something valuable that your ideal clients want, something that can help to solve their problems, they'll be happy to pay you money or to buy your products, get your services, or to hire you. Put together an irresistible offer and convert the browsers and followers into actual paying clients. And that is how you can start to grow your business on social media. Now, if you want to know the 3 ways to generate more revenue for your business, then check out this previous episode. Or if you'd like to have additional ideas on how to monetize your knowledge and skills, then check out this episode too. I'll put the links below this video. So that's it. 3 simple steps on how to start social media marketing as a beginner step by step. Step number 1, find out where your ideal clients are hanging out. Step number 2, share something useful. And step number 3, make an offer. Now, if you'd like to have more ways to market your business with little or no money, head over to my website, www.millieleung.com/attract to grab your 50 ways to market your business with little or no money checklist. I'll put the link below this video too. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also, don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends too. I share an awesome episode every single week to help you build a business and a life that you truly love. You have a special gift in you. Believe in yourself and shine and impact the world in a bigger way. Remember, dream big, start small, and act now. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.